I am right in front of Stowe Living. This store has the furniture side of it, a small furniture barn here, and then the huge studio right here. And I'm checking this furniture side. That's what I always do. I have cute little items. I have my small jockey miniature pieces from the store. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Let's check out. They always have premium leather pieces, beautifully handcrafted pieces for furniture. Look at this big table. And I love these side stands. Again, my style of, in my taste of furniture, very earthen tones. This inlay table, I'm very sure it's made in India. It's like beautiful. So pretty piece. I have a huge piece of a big wood log that I got from this store. It's sitting underneath my mantle and in that area near the fireplace, right in front of the fireplace. And it's actually a real wood. Over the years, it has grown beautiful mushrooms out of it. They're having sale on the clothing. And that's actually from this store. Let's check them inside. The whole kitchen segment of it is here. Hand-picked potteries, hand-picked plates, trays. Look at this table runner, the birch branch, and a huge collection of Le Creuset. Oh, a very beautiful inlay piece. There has not been even one time when I stepped into this shop and I have not shopped here. They always have amazing items for a house. Very unique pieces. What is this? It's a candle snuffer. You put it right on the candle that is lit to blow it off. Now this side is mixed things. The vintage speakers, look at that. Sylvia table lamp. Let's check out their jewelry and other apparel section. Here before. Maybe I never paid attention to, but they have beautiful scarves. I want to check them out. Fourth of July. Mason Marigold. Look at this dress, actually. Beautiful. I think I have an inclination to the palm leaves. I love anything that is in the palm leaves. You need to keep it away from me because I'm gonna love it. LAFCO. Who doesn't know LAFCO candles and LAFCO perfume? LAFCO diffusers are the best. They are the best. Rosemary eucalyptus. Beautiful. Venus. Oh, I'm so looking forward to sit on that sofa. This is upstairs. Again, more furniture pieces, leather sofas, slouchy sofas, you name it, they got it. I have few of their paintings, actually 2 of their paintings from them. I remember getting it tagged in. This was so bulky, and taking it back to Maryland in the car was a whole trip. They ship it, I think, too. Check Brenna B interiors. They're having a sale. I thought maybe I should look into. They're just right in front of the Village Inn on the mountain road, just at the beginning of the mountain road. You can see the mountain road coming from down, the bridge on the side here, and right here is the store. This store is so aesthetically pleasing. She has amazing collection of furniture, lamps, pillows, candles, anything and everything to decorate your house. Beautiful collection of the baskets here. Vases. Look at this tray. It's so unique. Some of these items are on 75% sale. Just beautiful. I actually like that stool sitting right in between these sofas. And look at these cute little bunnies or rabbits. They're wooden. If you have a house that has little kids and you're scared like me, oh, they can break a bigger piece, then wooden things are definitely your best bets. Look at these ones. These bunnies are so cute. I end up actually getting them. So pretty. Everything is handpicked. And everything is so in tune with the interior decoration of any home, especially for a color tone of my living room. I keep it very beige, white, earthen tones. Everything over here will go with my living room. Marvelous. I was sitting on this sofa, it's relaxing. So got bunnies and something else for house to decorate. I keep collecting house decorational items. A lot of people ask me actually where the things that are in my house for decoration are from. To be honest with you, whenever I travel, half of my shopping is only about home decoration items. I have measurements of almost all of my rooms, my sofas, everything. I have the measurements so that in case I need it, I can just pull off my diary and know what goes where. That's what I do, yeah. So we are going to check the Northwood Gallery just at the corner of the road when it turns the main street. They're right here, up here. This is another gallery for the local artist in Stowe.
Where do you guys live?
Maryland.
Nice. I think that's gonna be about it for photographs. Let's see. Yeah. There's a hot air balloon festival is today.
We checked it yesterday. We're gonna go check it today as well.
Cool.
This gentleman here was telling me that Natasha Bogar is actually his best friend, and look at some of the paintings from Natasha. We were checking this photographer, Dean Parizu. And he has beautiful some of the paintings and some of the photographs actually.